Leadfoot lawnmower here. So I spent the last 2 hours trying to figure out how to put an alternator on this motor, and I come up with this. The back cover is drilled and tapped for 1/4-20. It's the best I could get. And there's my 10SI. I think that will work just fine. Alright everybody, that's a quick video for you. I also got this gasket I made for the back cover. But this back cover is coming off of this motor, which is Blue's old motor. Going on to the back of this one. It will have some clearance issues, but nothing a cut-off wheel can't fix. Alright everyone, Leadfoot lawnmower. Catch y'all later.